Hey guys, let's learn something new today, which is in VBA macros. What is mean by option explicit? I'm sure if somebody attended interview on VBA macros, definitely they faced this question, right? So this is a basic fundamental question in many times interview will ask you what is mean by optional explicit. You may wonder after knowing what is optional explicit. This is very easy, guys. Let's understand with one example. Let me insert module. So first, let me write any particular macro. So let me write sub sample macro name, and let me use some message box, guys. Whatever it is, message box. So which is otherwise what we will do. Let me take I is equal to 10, k is equal to 20, and m is equal to I plus k, and last message box m. So I would like to show a message box fi. Look at that, 30 is the number because 10 plus 20 is 30. Oh, not, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, I plus k, correct, right? So that is the number is 30. Now then, what we are thinking about optional explicit here. So let's do that one. Here you can see we have used some variables called I, variable called k, variable called m. So whenever there's something called optional explicit, okay, option explicit, if they're mentioned in the top of the module, now run the same code, it will not run, you will get some error. What is this error? Means compiling error, variable is not declared. So that means whenever you have used optional explicit on the top of your module, that means this variable declaration is mandatory. How do you declare the variables? Dim I comma k comma m as integer, right? Now you run the same code, it will give the result. That's it. Optional explicit means variable declaration is mandatory in module whenever you use an optional explicit. If you remove the optional explicit, that's up to you. Let me know in the comment section which option you will use. You want to go with the optional explicit or without optional explicit? Personally, I prefer optional explicit. What do you say? Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel to get more insights of videos, VBA, Excel, Power BI, SQL. Thank you so much.